built jacket on your shades. We're taking leave from this bleak side.